Let's connect Exayard to make.com, no code needed. Start in Exayard's developer settings, create an API key, and name it whatever you want. Click Create to generate the key. Copy it now since you won't see it again. Over in Make, create a new scenario. Add a module and search for Exayard. Pick any Exayard module. Here it's list projects. Each module needs a connection. Add a connection and name it whatever works. Paste your Exayard API key here. Save and make links to your Exayard account. Tweak the optional fields or keep the defaults. Run once to test the module. Your Exayard projects come back as output bundles. Each run shows operations and credits used. The data matches your projects in Exayard. From here, chain any modules you want. Click the plus to add the next module. This example adds generate bit. Reuse the same connection you set up earlier. Configure it. For example, pick a project. Run it to generate the bid. Make processes the operation in seconds. The output returns a bid document and its link. Hop back to Exayard to see the result. The new bid appears right in your project files. Open it to view the full bid proposal. Quantities, costs, and totals all built automatically.